really trying to do is we're trying to work together on a common pulse, on a common shared space of desire. And, we call those workshops circles. And it's as though, I always love to think about it, sometime Rav Lightman calls it the center of the circle, feeling the center of the circle. What we're trying to do through discussing together is really coming out of ourselves. Everyone is trying to sort of go into the center of the circle, and that center means that we're trying to feel together our common desire, what is common to all of us and yet doesn't belong to any of us individually, what is shared between us and yet can't be felt when we're all focused on ourselves. And when we start doing that, you kind of lose focus even of who's saying what, where does my words start and the friend's words end, or the other way around, because the circle becomes this one thing that expresses its desire for unity, for achieving the quality of the soul, the Creator,